Welcome. I'm Dr. Neil Morton. I'm a neurosurgeon by training, but I know surgical education and surgical research, and you'll find a great home for both of those here at the St. John's Cancer Institute. The St. John's Cancer Institute Complex General Surgical Oncology training program has an extremely rich history and an even more promising and exciting future. Located in the heart of beautiful Santa Monica, the St. John's Health Center and the St. John's Cancer Institute offer a well-rounded educational experience supported by exceptional faculty and experts who are here to guide and support you. Santa Monica is really a great place to live and learn, with many fantastic venues and events taking place throughout Los Angeles County each year. We welcome you to the program and are delighted that you're interested and look forward to seeing you in person here on site.